Hey guys, make sure you stick around to the end of the video. We've got a very important family announcement we want to share with you. Hey guys, welcome back to the farm. Hey, cows are milked, bunks are full. I just got done feeding. I'm digging out some free stalls, cleaning up, doing them, pitching the cow patties out of the sand. Lance, remember my nephew playing football. He's gonna be going into his 4th year next year, so 3rd year right now. He's helping us today. What we're doing is we're gonna shrink up this incline on this belt feeder. You see it? We don't need it anymore. We're not feeding out of these 2 silos anymore. I'm just pulling off of here. Greg's got the plow right now. He's rebuilding that. The plow is what pushes and drops the feed down. So we're gonna have to shorten up some belt, and we're gonna take that end and move it up. But first we got a couple coal cows, a couple cows that aren't producing. We're gonna get them in, and then we're gonna get moving. Let's go. Okay, got one. This heifer was born with only 3 teats, and only 2 of them work. Got another 3 titter here. We're gonna send to market. She's a big one. Lance is here. He's gonna walk them up for us. Like I said, guys, you've got to keep the herd thinned down when they're not producing. Good move. That was a football move. Nice and easy, bub. 2 loaded. I'll get you a tag. Got 1 tag, but 1 tag I'm gonna send with them. You gotta provide an ear tag with every cow you ship so it's tracked to the farm. Okay, see you in a little bit. Bye, girls. Okay, here's what we got. Yeah, this is all gonna get eliminated. I'm gonna bolt this right here. Hopefully these bolts come out. And this is the end. We're gonna put this end up there. So I need to grab my impact. She's old, boys, but for right now we're just gonna make do. This is gonna help us stay a lot straighter. Now that it's going to be straight. The incline's really messing it up, keeping this belt screwing up on me. And I think the ultimate end game, though, because this isn't costing us anything really to get it done, is to get a guy taking this out. You know anybody, you know, an Amish crew, Mennonite crew that wants to come up here and disassemble this, I'll do it immediately. And I think you cut a roll-up door and you feed directly. But until it's gone, I'm using this. That one went. Oh, that's good stuff. I can feel it releasing. Get that out of the way. Yep, we got one that we have to cut. Grab my cutoff wheel. Plow rebuild. That plow looks like brand new. Belt's cut, guys. Oh. That. Now she should come out. Maybe turn it. Been in there a while, guys. Oh, it is. All right, all these bolts are out, but I've got to disconnect this because I need this. This is part of a splice that's gonna splice in. So there's a wrench Lance is putting on. So Lance, you like college better or farm life?
College life, I don't know.
You got 3 years, what, 3.5 years in?
Yeah.
1.5 to go.
Yep.
You're gonna finish.
Finish strong.
Finish strong. Okay, now she should be ready to take that impact. She's still stuck on it. That's what I need. That's what I need. Okay. Plow installation in progress. Incline disassembling. That's good. That wind's really kicking up through here, ain't it? Coming off. There it is. Just keep pull back, Lance. There you go. Incline going down. Pull her right down. Knock this board out. There it goes. Yep. Now the belt's holding it up. A lot of room in here now. He had to move the cable tensioner. In some headway. Look at all that belt we're going to eliminate. 40 foot. Should run smoother. I had to clean some of this out. Organic. A lot of organic material filled with worms.
Where'd he go?
He's going to splice the belt. Well, one trailer just left, another trailer backed in. What do you got, a cow? Got a little calf in there? All right, let's get them out. And we've got sisters and aunts awaiting. Oh, shoot. Oh, got me. Oh, there's the baby. Must have took after his dad, huh? How you doing today, buddy? We're gonna get that calf secured in a nice, clean, warm hutch. Got a nice open stall here next to you, young ladies. How you guys doing today? Huh?
Said probably 2.
Oh, did he say 2?
Well, just because it's a
bull calf?
Yeah.
You just gave him the, what do you call that when you carry him? Royalty treatment? Bah, bah. Put him in there right next to his friends. Okay. We've got to get the right measurement for the belt cut. Some of that black belt, it was ripped. So we're definitely going to cut that. Looks like it's up there more. Splice kit. Inside? Yep, inside. Oh, there you go. Ah, hang on, I wish I... There you go. Fire in, boy. Oh, shoot. Hang on. In a little bit, Lance. Up. There you go. Got one.
Careful, you can't put the nut on the inside. It's gotta be smooth.
I know. put it in the right way, guys. Oh no. Drop that nut.
Got it.
Alright, up. Down. Okay, ends bolted on.
This must slide into here.
Find something to support that end. We got her attached, braced, and he's feeding this belt in.
That's probably good for at the moment. Nobody needs.
Guys, later in the day, project complete. Belt's still not running as true as we would like it. Took that incline out. It's definitely not as much resistance. It's a lot easier on that motor. It's running a lot easier because that incline really put some drag on it. But we're finding our other issue is that belt. It's an orange belt. Some of you guys that have ran these years ago, I'm thinking that belt's the original belt from the 80s. We bought this used that came with that. We put a piece of black belt on, but as that orange belt runs down, it gets kind of catty, and you have to stand up there and babysit it still. I was trying to get away from that, but in the end, this is honestly just to get me by through the winter. And then I've got other plans. I've got the bunk scraped in between there. That bunk's fed 3,500 pounds in there. These cows you're seeing have already been milked. There's that plow coming down and now coming back automatically. They work pretty well, I'll give you that. But if I can get that silo out of there and drive in there and dump directly in the bunk, second silo, then I can tell you you're going to eliminate all the mechanical parts, all the moving parts. You're already dumping it out of the mixer to begin with. Why not dump it directly in the bunk? Get rid of that long conveyor and the 2 feeders. But until the time being, I'm not dogging it. I'm just telling you that's where I'm thinking. That's the future. So guys, thanks for sticking around the end of the video. I wanted to share some information with you. We got Catherine, Chloe, Summer, and Grant, and Rochelle. She is 5 months pregnant. We thought we want to tell you that. And we're gonna find out the gender by dipping into this cake. Here's a visual of the baby. Let's see what the gender is, guys.
It's gonna either be blue or it's gonna be pink. It's either gonna be, if it's blue, it's a boy. If it's pink, it's a girl. Okay? And the baby in Mama's belly. All right. Whenever Catherine and Chloe are ready. 1, 2, 3.
Finally.
Oh! Blue, blue, blue. All right. Give me 5, Sammy.
Take one more.
Give me 5, Grant.
Before you eat it, okay?
You got a big brother, baby brother coming. All right, guys, you excited? Did you want a boy or a girl?
I wanted a boy. I didn't really care.
What'd you want, hon?
It doesn't matter.
Okay.
Another boy is awesome.
Let's get.
She wanted a girl.
Okay, can you guys
Boy.
just like stand up for me for 1 second?
No, wait.
So, guys, now we get to enjoy some
Sass on it.
cake.
Reese babies.
Oh heck no.
Let's name it Meaty Michael. No, I think we should do Paxton for Big Lip Paxton.
Now we gotta think of a name.
Catherine jumped on this kid and
Paxton?
yeah. Catherine jumped
Grant?
on this kid and right. I like a cheese drippy bro.
No, yeah, let's do Paxton.